You will never get rich by adding people. That sentence contradicts everything you have been taught, and that is exactly why you are still stuck. You have been sold a story where growth means a bigger team, more salaries, more chairs around a table you pay for, so you scale the only way you know how. You take on more clients. You add more hours. You promise yourself the next hire will finally buy you freedom. It never does. Every person you add ties your income tighter to your time, not looser. The ceiling does not move. You carry more weight beneath it. This is the mobility trap, and it was built for you on purpose. The assumption runs deeper than advice. It is architecture. You believe that to earn more, you must do more, and to do more, you need more hands. So picture the version of you that already believes it. It's late. The desk lamp is the only light in the room. You are writing the same proposal you wrote last month for a different client at the same rate. You open your revenue for the quarter. It looks like last quarter. It looks like the quarter before that. You close the laptop and tell yourself you need to hire someone. Adding a person does not break your ceiling. It rebuilds the same ceiling one floor up with payroll attached. You are not buying leverage. You are buying a bigger version of the trap you are already in. The exit was never a person, and the math proves it. Run the actual numbers. Of the 30 million one-person businesses in America, only 3.6% ever cross $1 million in revenue. That number sounds like proof that staying solo is a dead end. It is the opposite. The ones who break through did not get there by hiring a team. They got there by changing what they sell. Most one-person businesses cluster under 50,000 a year. A thin band climbs into six figures and past it. The line that separates them is not talent, and it is not hours. It is model architecture. The sub-50,000 crowd sells time. The $1 million solo operator sells a repeatable outcome. And when they do bring in help, it's a contractor tied to a deliverable, not an employee tied to a salary. That distinction is the whole game. A salary is a fixed cost that eats your margin whether the work produces revenue or not. Payroll, liability, management, complexity, each one dilutes the leverage you started with. Income has to be detached from time before headcount ever enters the conversation. Headcount is the reward, never the engine. Here's where the frame flips. A freelance designer spends 3 years charging by the project. Logos, landing pages, brand refreshes. Good work, steady clients, flat income. Every dollar costs an hour, and there are only so many hours. Then one decision. Instead of selling design tasks, the designer sells one outcome, a complete brand system delivered on a fixed monthly retainer. Same scope, same process, every time. Nothing about the skill changed. The rate per hour was never raised. What changed was the unit being sold. Tasks became a productized outcome a client pays for on repeat. Inside a year, that one repeatable offer clears $30,000 a month. No employees, no office. The same person, one packaged result sold again and again. They did not climb the ladder faster. They stopped selling the rungs and started selling the floor people wanted to stand on. Your perceived limits are by design. Do this before the weekends. Open a blank page. Step 1. List every client you have worked with this year. Next to each name, do not write what you did, write what they actually wanted. Not the logo, the credibility a new brand gave them. Not the spreadsheet, the decision it let them make. Write the outcome in their language, the result they would have paid double for if you had framed it that way. Step 2. Look down the column of outcomes and find the one that repeats, the result that shows up for client after client, the one you could deliver in your sleep because you have built the process a dozen times. That repeatable outcome is your product. Step 3. Build one offer around it. Give it a name because an unnamed service is a commodity and an unnamed outcome is a product. Set a flat monthly price, not an hourly rate, a fixed number tied to the result. Then write one sentence a stranger understands instantly. What they get, how often, for how much. One name, one price, one sentence. That is a productized offer, and it is the first thing you have ever sold that doesn't bill by the hour. Stop selling your time. Period. The people who got out were not smarter than you. They did not grind more hours or wanted more. They stopped playing a game that was rigged to keep them busy and broke. Headcount was never the path. It was the leash. The moment you sell an outcome instead of an hour, the ceiling you've been living under stops being a wall and starts being a door. If you want the exact audit template I use to find your one repeatable offer, it's linked below. $19, takes 20 minutes. Find the one result you can sell on repeat, then go sell it.